If you're feeling overwhelmed, mentally exhausted, or constantly tense, your nervous system may be asking for support. One simple, natural way to promote relaxation is through essential oils. Today, I'll share 5 oils that are widely used to help reduce stress, explain their key benefits, and show you how to use them safely and effectively. Oil number 1, lavender. Lavender is one of the most researched and widely used essential oils for relaxation and emotional balance. Its aroma has a calming effect on the nervous system and is often used to support better sleep and reduced anxiety. Lavender promotes relaxation and emotional calm, helps reduce nervous tension and restlessness, improved sleep quality, may ease headaches caused by stress. This is how to use your essential oils based on your specific needs. Add 5 to 8 drops to a diffuser and run for 30 to 60 minutes in the evening or during high-stress periods. Dilute 2 to 3 drops in a teaspoon of carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba, and apply to wrists, neck, or shoulders. Place 1 to 2 drops on a tissue and inhale slowly for quick relief. Oil number 2, bergamot. Bergamot has a fresh citrus aroma with subtle floral notes. It is commonly used to elevate mood while calming mental tension, making it ideal when stress is linked to low energy or emotional fatigue. Bergamot supports emotional balance and mood elevation, helps reduce feelings of anxiety and nervousness, encourages mental clarity and positivity, may reduce stress-related tension. Add 4 to 6 drops to your diffuser during work or daytime relaxation. Ideal for on-the-go stress management. Ensure you always dilute before applying to skin. Avoid direct sun exposure after use, as bergamot can be photosensitive. Oil number 3, frankincense. Frankincense is often associated with grounding and mindfulness. It is frequently used during meditation and breathing exercises to promote emotional stability and deeper relaxation. Frankincense encourages calm, steady breathing, supports mental focus and emotional grounding, helps reduce stress responses in the body, promotes a sense of inner balance. Use 3 to 5 drops during meditation, yoga, or quiet time. Dilute and apply to temples, chest, or feet. Inhale directly from the bottle for grounding moments. Oil number 4, ylang ylang. Ylang ylang has a rich, floral aroma known for its relaxing and mood-lifting effects. It is commonly used to reduce emotional tension and promote relaxation. Ylang ylang helps calm nervous tension and irritability, promotes relaxation and emotional comfort, may help slow rapid breathing or heartbeat during stress, supports positive mood. Use sparingly. 2 to 4 drops is usually sufficient due to its strong scent. Mix 2 to 3 drops with a carrier oil or bath base before adding to warm water. Dilute and apply to shoulders or neck for relaxation. Oil number 5, chamomile. Chamomile is known for its gentle calming properties. It is often used to ease nervous tension, promote restful sleep, and support emotional comfort. Helps soothe anxiety and restlessness. Promotes relaxation and improved sleep quality. Supports emotional balance. Add 4 to 6 drops before bedtime. Dilute and apply to pulse points or the bottoms of the feet. Inhale slowly during moments of stress. Always dilute essential oils before applying to skin. Perform a patch test before first use. avoid contact with eyes and sensitive areas. Pregnant individuals, children, or those with medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before use. Essential oils support wellness, but do not replace medical treatment. Stress is a part of everyday life, but small habits can make a big difference. Whether you use a diffuser, a relaxing massage blend, or simple inhalation, these oils can support a calmer and more balanced routine. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more wellness content, and comment below which oil you use or want to try next. See you in the next video.